guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you a new way of making money online with no money at all. And today I'm gonna take you into the Merch by Amazon platform. I just got accepted and I will create my first merch with you guys so you can see exactly how to do it. And let's go. All right, guys, so this is Merch by Amazon. I showed you a little bit about the website on a previous video. You can have a look at it if you want to, if you didn't look at it already. But I pretty much submitted my application a few days ago, the day I made the video, which was not so long ago, and I got a response from Amazon 3 days ago. So it was fairly quickly. I received a response within 3 days. So I've heard that some people find it hard to be accepted right away by Amazon, but for me it was pretty quick. I honestly didn't do anything special. I didn't write a long explanation about what I want to do, or it was fairly short, nothing special really, and I was accepted. So I'm sure it wouldn't be that hard for everyone. I'm sure most of the people that are going to apply to Merch by Amazon will be accepted. If you have tried and you haven't been accepted, please comment below and tell me how many times you've tried, or what happened, why you didn't get accepted, because I'm pretty curious about that. I don't know why they wouldn't accept everyone, because their main focus is to sell a lot of products, so the more people the better. So yeah, if you had some experience with that, please let me know. So once you're accepted, you can log into your platform, and this is what it looks like. So because I'm fairly new, I won't be able to sell on different items here. So I'll be able to only pick one product. And I think I'll pick the premium t-shirt. So once you're here, as you can see, you just need to upload your artwork, and that's it. And we'll get there because we will do it together. So for the artwork, I already had one that I created. I mean, I have two actually. I created these two last year, I believe, and I used pixel art to do it. So I'm gonna use that because it's already made, and I can change later anyways. But for this video, we'll use one of these artwork. But you can also use Canva. So once you're in your Canva, you just go to create a design, and you will go to custom size. For Amazon, you need to put the width is 4,500 and the height is 5,400, and it's in pixels. So you create a new design. It's going to take you to that page. And from here, I mean, you can create your own design if you want to. You'll go to elements. You can choose different elements, put what you want to do. You can go to text, add some text if you just wanted to have a t-shirt saying something like summer vibes or whatever you want to put. And so let's go to what I want to uh, create. So like I already removed the background of the photo. To remove the background, you can use different websites, and for this one I used removal.ai, this one. So that's the one I chose to remove the background. But if you have Canva Pro, you can do it straight from there. So here, create a new design. Where was I? Let's close this one. And here, already uploaded the photo without the background. So we'll go here. Let's close this one. Then, I'm just not going to write anything. I'm just going to put that as my artwork without nothing else. Just it's my first design and I'm trying it out. So let's see. So once that's done, you're going to go here and you'll want to download. You keep it as one, size one PNG and transparent background. And let's go. So now this is going to be downloaded. It's right here, as you can see. We can close it. We can go back to Merch by Amazon. And now, I believe it was that one. We can open it, invalid, and let me see why it's invalid. Okay, so I just reopened the website and now it's working. So here it is. So as you can see, this is my artwork. I downloaded a transparent version, so there's no background, and that's what it looks like on all the products. So now, because as I said, I'm in tier one, so I cannot choose all these. So I'm gonna mark it in the .com Amazon marketplace. And here, I can't like pick all of them. I don't think so. Let's try. And actually, I can. Uh, Select products. Actually, I can select all the products in this marketplace. That's perfect. So this is what we have. Let's see the different colors. So you can see how it looks like on different colors, t-shirt colors. I can select the colors and I think they all look okay. I think please select at most 10 colors. Okay, so I will pick for men, women, and youth, and I will select just a few colors. All right, I picked my 10 colors. And then now you can choose your price. So as you can see, if the price is set to $19.99, I will get per sale $5.23. Let's change that just to see if it's possible to change. $15. Okay, $15 at $1.45. And I suppose you need to select per product. You need to select the price. So that's for the standard t-shirts. I would say it's probably cheaper than the premium. So let me set up the prices. All right, so I set up the price here, and once you do that, you can write your description. So you write the title, brand, feature bullet number one, number two, and the description of the product. And let me do it all, and we'll continue. All right, so I did my all my texts and everything. I wrote everything here. Because I'm brand new, I could only pick two products, and now I'm allowed to publish. So I wrote a title. Um, I did a little bit of research, and I understand that you have to write a lot of keywords that are important so you can rank with your product on Amazon. So I did a quick description, and that will do for now. It's my first design, so I'm not expecting much from it, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. So once that's done, we're gonna publish. So you're submitting a design to the following products: premium and standard t-shirts, searchable. And let's go. Let's publish. So this is what it gives you. And then I suppose you can view manage page. They probably need to approve it, I would say. Yeah, status approving. So it's for the .com marketplace. This is the design, premium t-shirt and standard, and those are the prices, processing. So that's it. Now I'm just gonna have to wait to be approved. And I hope it is approved. If it's not approved, if there's anything that happens, I'll make another video and I'll explain to you what happened and what I'm gonna do about it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did find it useful at all, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comment, please don't hesitate and I'll respond to you right away. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys!